Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add in a new shipping address or email or phone number on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down. And in here, tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Next, we go down to the Transaction Default section and then tap on Shipping Address. Now tap on Enter New Shipping Address. Put in a new shipping address that you want to use. So for example, this location right here. And then you can put in the name. And then tap on Done. And now you can see we have two shipping addresses. If I don't want to use the other one, I can swipe across and delete it. So this one here, I'm going to tap on Edit. It looks like it doesn't allow me to delete this default shipping address. It must have been used for something else. So I'll leave it like that for now. So I'm just going to see if I can delete it now. So I'm going to tap on Delete and then tap on Delete and then tap on Done to save the changes. And then I'm going to select that as a default shipping address and then tap on the back key. And if you want to add in a new email address, now in here you can tap on Add New Email Address. So test at gmail.com. And then tap on Done. And then tap on back key. Now for phone number, you can add in a new phone number. 1235688, and then just some random number for now. And so put in your phone number and then you can tap on the back key. And that is how you can add in a new shipping address, email or phone number on the iPhone 14 series. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.